Okay, now we will start our new topic from CHO 5404, section first, stereochemistry of olefin reactions. Okay, so let's have one look on the syllabus. So this one is CHO 5404, organic stereochemistry second and asymmetric synthesis. So out of that one, so far we have finished resolution of racemic modification, and now we will start geometrical isomerism and stereochemistry of olefins. Okay, so that topic we will start. So reference books I have given that stereochemistry of carbon compounds. That one is the best reference book, and third and fourth also you can use Claydon and D. Nasipuri. Okay, so these are the reference books for this one. Stereochemistry of olefin. So most of the part actually you have finished in MSc first year of addition reactions. So in that one, we have seen different things of addition reactions, like addition of electrophile across carbon-carbon double bond, addition of nucleophile across carbon-carbon double bond, as well as carbon-carbon triple bond, also addition of free radical across carbon-carbon double bond. Out of that one also some part we have finished in free radical reactions also, how the free radicals they do add across carbon-carbon double bond. So again now this time we will see stereochemistry, what stereochemistry involved in addition reactions. Okay, so keywords may be addition to alkenes and alkynes, Markovnikov rules, electrophilic and nucleophilic additions. So see, we'll see one by one all these things. So introduction. Conversion of multiple bonds such as double bond, triple bond into other functional groups are usually achieved using addition reactions. Okay. So reactions of multiple bonds will convert an unsaturated compound to more saturated and functionalized species. In this module, a number of examples of electrophilic addition to electron-rich double bonds are presented. When a double bond is activated by attaching it with electron withdrawing groups, conjugated addition is observed. Regioselectivity as well as stereochemical considerations are presented in this chapter. So let's start. So electrophilic addition reactions. First of all, we will see what is Markovnikov additions. As you everyone knows what is the Markovnikov addition. So it's a very well-known concept. So addition of electrophile across carbon-carbon double bond. So here we will take electrophile means is nothing but we will take here addition of HX. Okay, maybe HBr, HCl. Okay, HF, addition of HF, HCl, HBr across carbon-carbon double bond. So here I have taken the terminal olefin. You can see olefin has been one of the side of the one of the end of olefin has been substituted with this side chain. Another end which has two hydrogen atoms. Okay, so it's a terminal olefin. It's unsymmetrical olefin, and we are going to add now HX, hydrogen and chlorine across this carbon-carbon double bond. Now, if we will analyze hydrogen and chlorine, so in that one, chlorine is highly electronegative and hydrogen is less electronegative compared to chlorine. So in that one, H plus will act as a electrophile and Cl minus will act as a Cl minus. Okay, so one H is electrophile and Cl is it possess the negative charge. Okay, so here we are going to add electrophile across carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so here H plus acts as a electrophile and we are going to add this H plus to the carbon-carbon double bond. So here, as we know, that means if we will analyze, or if we will consider the addition of uh, HX or HCl to across carbon-carbon double bond, and if you will compare which one is Lewis acid, which one is Lewis base. So in that one we can say, so carbon-carbon double bond acts as a Lewis base, and hydrogen halide or any HBr, HI or HF, it acts as a Lewis acid. So we'll see now what is exactly the uh, things regarding the which one is Lewis acid, which one is Lewis base. So here I have taken addition of HBr and HCl. Okay, so how the reaction occurs and everything I will show over here. So here please pay attention, addition of HBr or HCl across carbon-carbon double bond. So here is the functional group transformation. So reagents, I have used HBr and CCl4 as the inert solvent. So in this one, you can see over here, major product is the bromine, which attached to the Hg electro more substituted carbon atom, and in minor product you can see bromine attached to the less substituted carbon atom. So in this way, reaction is regiospecific. Regiospecific means bromine goes to the most substituted side. Okay, that is nothing but the Markovnikov addition here. Now we will go here the now, which one is the Lewis acid? Which one is the Lewis base? So HBr, we know it's strong Lewis acid. Okay, H and Br. So Br is electronegative. That's why Br appears as a Br minus, and H is electropositive compared to the bromine because its electronegativity is less. So H plus acts as a Lewis acid over here, and here carbon-carbon double bond acts as a Lewis base over here. So in this way, this carbon-carbon double bond abstracts this proton to form a carbocation. Okay, so in this way we got tertiary carbocation, and hydrogen gets substituted or hydrogen get added to the less substituted carbon atom where already one hydrogen is present. Okay, so this is the major Markovnikov product. This is the Markovnikov addition of least bulky substituents. That means H is less bulky than the bromine. Bromine is more bulky. So bromine will add to the more substituted carbon atom. So here two methyl groups is present on this carbon atom. So bromine will go to add to this carbon atom. So this is nothing but the Markovnikov product. Okay, so here we got tertiary carbocation. As we know, tertiary carbocation is more stable and it forms faster rate, okay, compared to the secondary or primary carbocation. So this is one of the most stable intermediate we got, tertiary carbocation. So whatever product will form, it will form with this carbocation only, and here Br minus, which acts as a Lewis base now, and this generated carbocation will act as a Lewis acid, and this Lewis base, it will react with this Lewis acid, and we will get major Markovnikov product. Okay, so this is the addition of the HBr across the carbon-carbon double bond. So now we will see in another way what will be the anti-Markovnikov product, okay, minor side product, how it will form. So now here again, carbon-carbon double bond acts as a Lewis base or Bronsted base, and HBr in that one it acts as a Lewis acid or Bronsted acid. So now if we will go for anti-Markovnikov addition, anti-Markovnikov means bromine will add to the less substituted carbon atom. So here bromine will add now. Okay, so now carbocation will generate secondary carbocation we have to generate. So carbon-carbon double bond abstracts proton. Okay, so it will add over here. Okay, they have we have shown the here addition of H, and generation of secondary carbocation we have reported over here. And this secondary carbocation will form very with slower rate, and then Lewis base Br minus is detached here. Here generation of Br minus. So Br minus now acts as a Lewis base, and as we form carbocation, it acts as a Lewis acid here. Okay, so here I have written everything: Lewis base, Lewis acid. In the initial, carbon-carbon double bond acts as a Lewis base, and HBr acts as a Lewis acid. So Lewis acid is getting attacked by this Br minus to get anti-Markovnikov side product. Okay, so everything I have written over here. The Markovnikov rule, what's that one? Markovnikov product, what we expect, anti-Markovnikov product, what we'll expect, as bromine is having higher electronegativity, so that's why how that one is getting attached. Now here again I have taken one more example of another kind of olefin. Okay, addition of HCl we will do over here. So show the product formation. Now this one is the more substituted carbon atom, so chlorine will add over here and hydrogen will add at the end of the carbon-carbon double bond here. So this one is the major product, and minor product also we have to write here. Okay, so this is the thing. And now regiospecificity and stereospecificity. The reaction is regiospecific, it is also stereospecific, question mark. Okay, so what's the thing? In a sense, what this question is asking to do, the hydrogen and bromine atom both add to the same side of the alkene, or they do add opposite sides. Okay, so now we will take example of carbon-carbon double bond containing cyclic compound. So it is a cyclohexene, 1,2 dimethyl cyclohexene, example of this one. And we will see how the cis and trans they do form in case of 1,2 dimethyl cycloalkane.